Alright, so let's see what we got. First, let's try to spin up the backend. Let's see what happened. Alright, now let's see if we can spin up the front end, and both of them are up and running. So let's see if we can this time get information from the database. As you can see, it's taking a little bit longer. It should be faster. Perhaps this is more related to a matter of the architecture of the application, but that's another talk. Alright, so let's see. So it's looking good. Actually, I like a lot the UI. It feels really fresh. Of course, I have to work on, for example, the image resolutions, but in general terms, it is okay. Alright, so let's try to filter by prices. Okay, this time from lowest to the highest. Very good. And let's see if I can have a Lego set. Great. As you can see, it is filtering the products by name. If there is in some part of the name the L and the E. Great. So dining table. Right. So I need a Lego set. So let's add this one to the shopping cart. Right. So it might be a good idea to have one more. Alright, so what else I have available to buy? Now I want to get a pizza. Right, perhaps three pizzas and one Lego set. That's it. Okay, furniture, no, I don't need furnitures and clothes and toys. Maybe one more. Action figure. Okay, so that's it. It is working as expected. So, of course, there's a lot of things to keep talking about. For example, in this part, two action figures. Okay, in this part, I should display the variants, the variants and the collections of these products. Also, I have to work in some bug like this one. For example, let's show all the products and then just pizza. But this time I want to jump to toys, and this is a bug, of course, because this filter is active. Alright, so between other facts, the UI needs to polish. So as you can see, if the categories are displayed, it is taking more space than it should be. So this part of the product, it is high by the collapsible menu. What else? The image resolution, the dimension, and the scroll. It should be, for example, the last row should be have a space between the footer, just like the first one with the header. So about the code, definitely I need to refactor. Take a look at this component. It is too big. I mean, it is not a matter of how many lines of code in both, uh, it has a lot of responsibilities. So it is desperately needs refactor. All right. So also I have a couple of warning. Actually, I have content 17 warnings. So if I will deploy using a CI pipeline, it definitely won't pass the test. So there's a lot of work to do, as you can see, but it is a good point as well uh, to to put a pause in this stage of the project, because it will actually it is a good amount of code base. In this code base, it is very important to be tested, at least using a unit test, and if it is possible, an integration test. I think it is a good idea to take a break in the code. Let's work in two different paths. The first one, as you can see, it is working just in my system, and for example, for the guys from the testing, how they can test my application, how they can try it live. So on the other hand, of course, I'd had to work on the test environment. So for more in-depth details of the front end and the update of the project, please refer to the README file of the repository. So in the next video, we will try to think in a way how any member of the team or of the company can test the application, and we should try to start working on the testing phase. So, but this POC is more than enough for that ideas. So in the next set of videos, we will talk about the above topics, the previous talk you mentioned. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one.